Okay, that was not fun. Made a phone call. I ended up getting out. Now my engine's idling real high and my check gauge's light is on for some reason. But my temp's good, the oil pressure's good, everything's good. So I don't know what the hell that's about. But I am freezing. I forgot my damn gloves at home. I got a window that's all iced up, can't see a damn thing. And it sure as hell can't stop, damn. Oh, Christ. Should have stayed home. Frozen, Jeep's fucked up. Can't see up my windows. I'm still sweating. Windows down to see if anybody's coming. I'm going the hell home. It's freaking nuts to be out here today. Ain't no damn reason to be out here. I called Clover back before he got a hold of his brother. Made him drive out here. Phone was off. He didn't pick up. Hope he gets my message before his brother tries driving out here. Ain't nobody in their right mind needs to be out here in this crap. Unless you got a Jeep. That's it. Oh, crap. It's clear enough for y'all to see. There's a wiper screw up right in front of the camera. Little cars. I wish I would have had Nick's phone number. He's a hell of a lot closer. I could have just waited for him to tear my Jeep up. Didn't know if Bill was going to get a hold of his brother or not. And this wind. As soon as I shoveled snow out from behind my tires, it just filled right back up again. That must be plumber.